In today's class, we will see about the read table. So first, declare the internal table and work area. So using the types keyword types, begin of ty, sorry, it's colon, begin of ty student, end of ty stud. Now give full stop. Inside this, declare the variable roll num type I. Next one is name type string. Now after that, declare the internal table and work area it stug type, again it's colon type standard table of ty stug. After that, wa stug type ty stug. Now then insert the values into the internal table. Just copy it. Values, what are the values? Write down all the values first. Our values are, fields are roll number equals to 1 and name equals to Aditi, and the next one is just copy down, Control C, Control V. Now change it, roll number 2 Anshika, give full stop. For formatting, always use Cricut printer. It's value, not values. Now then apply read table. Write down read table, internal table, that is it stug into work area with key, that is roll number 2. Give full stop. And now check if psi sub c is equals to 0. Write record found, and records are work area, roll number, and name. And if else, write record not found. And if save, so value, yeah, it's correct. Okay, I don't know why it is throwing an error. Field value is unknown. Okay, let me check. I think it is correct. Wait. Let me check. IT student is an internal table. Value, roll number is 1, name is Aditi. No. Okay. No, error has gone. Just activate your program and do effect record found to and unknown. See what read table has done. Read table will only read the data from your internal table, and if the record found in the internal table, then it helps to bring that record into the work area. Read table will not print the record, it will only fetch the record. So हम क्या बोलेंगे read table के बारे में कि read table क्या करता है? Read table will only read a record from the internal table and bring this record into the work area with the help of specific key. ओके, रीड टेबल क्या करता है? रीड टेबल सिर्फ इंटरनल टेबल से डेटा को रीड करता है, वो आपके वर्क एरिया में ब्रिंग करता है, वो रिकॉर्ड प्रिंट नहीं करता. प्रिंट हमेशा कराने के लिए हमें राइट स्टेटमेंट का ही यूज करना होगा. वी विल सी सम मोर टॉपिक इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.